First thing you should do while making this cap is take your head measurement, as I'm doing in this video. My head measurement is 24 inches. I divided 24 inches by 6. It gave me 4 inches. Then I added 1 inch to it. It's now 5 inches. Okay, so what I will do now is take here 5 inches. From here to here, 5 inches. Then from here to here, 5 inches. Then half of 5 inches is 2.5. I will just mark here right now, 2.5. Then I will come here. Then I will mark 2.5. Okay. I will cut off this. Cut off this. Then I will rule here this middle here. I will rule it, do like so. Then I'll fold it, you see. So I'm using my iron. It's my iron that I'm going to use in taking this pattern. I need this form like this shape. So I'll put it on top like so. You see, this point should be in this line. The point of the iron should be in this line, okay? So then I will rule it. Since my measurement is 5 inches, I'm going to take here. I'll just bring it down, freehand it like this. You just be coming down like this. Coming down, coming down, coming down. See? See the way I did it? Then I'll fold it like this. Seven inches. You see, the depth of my cap is from here to here is 7 inches. So I'll cut this. I'll cut this off. This is the first stage of our cap. So after cutting this, I'll put it on top like this, you see, in the edge like this. You see, then I will put sellotape. And I'll sellotape it down like this. This is my pattern. This is the line, okay? You mark it to see it. Then I will put my tape here. I will do my brim wide 3 inches. Then I will take my ruler and I will mark it 3 inches, you see? Then after marking it, I will curve it. Just curve it, you just curve it slightly. This tutorial, I think this first one should just be on the pattern only, but I will just make everything here. Then I will now fold it again. You see this line? This line I ruled, I'll fold it again. Like this, you see? Then now I'll cut it. You see, this is the pattern of our cap. I cut 6 Ankara. I cut 6 pieces Ankara. Then I cut 6 pieces jeans. Then I cut another 6 pieces jeans. This one is for the lining. Then I will use fusible interfacing. This is fusible interfacing. I'll cut it like this. put one here and put one here and put one here. Cover it. I'll merge it together. It will not be one, so that it will be strong, because Ankara fabric is so light. So you see, this is 6, 2, 4, 6. So I will use this one to line this. I'll put it front facing front. I'll put it front facing. Finishing. Give it a nice press. Give it a nice press. I will take my paint like so, just put it around it like this. Then I'll put it here, just to mark where to cut. Then I'll put paint again. Then I'll put it here, just to mark where to cut. Then I will cut it. Okay, after cutting it, I'll pass my eyelet through. Okay, this is cord. There's cord inside this Ankara, and the circumference of this cord is 1.25 inches. So I will knot this place like this. I will knot it. Then I will take it past this hole. You can use the same fabric front and back, or you can use different Ankara in the front and the back.